iPhone is a lifesaver. If you want to know how, watch this video till the end. Don't skip a bit, because I'm going to show you an amazing trick I promise you have no idea about. Stay tuned, let me show you. I'll be right back. Go on your settings, then click on accessibility and scroll down to guided access. Make sure to turn this one on. So after this, you can go to any of your social media page, but for me, I'm using Facebook. Triple click on the power button just like this, then tap on guided access. You will see on the bottom of the page where it says circle areas on the screen you would like to disable. So what does this mean is that is to circle the area where you want to disable, just like this, guys. All right, so let's say this is the area that I want to disable, so I'm trying to circle this part just like this. But you can do this on any social media app. All right, you can do this on Twitter, IG, TikTok, Facebook. Yeah, so let's say you can expand it just like this if you want. Then hit on start at the top right there. Then you enter your password and make sure to confirm it again. After doing this, you will see the part you highlighted is all grayed out. The reason of doing this is that whoever is browsing on your phone, they are locked out on this app and they cannot touch those grayed out area. This way you are protecting your private data. You can do this on any social media app, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, IG, YouTube. Triple click again the power button to get rid of it, just like this. All right, then you enter your passcode, then you hit on X on the highlighted area, then you tap on resume at the top right there, so you can continue the guided access. But now they are able to access the whole Facebook app but cannot get out of this app to the home screen. All right, as you see, guys, so they have access on the app but they cannot get out of this app. All right, so in order for them to get out of the screen, they need to triple tap the power button just like this. All right, then enter the passcode and hit end on top, and they can go to the home screen just like that. You can try this. If you have any question about this, just feel free to let me know. That is all about the tutorial, guys. If you found this video useful, please follow me on TikTok, Facebook, IG, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks every day. See you on my next video. Peace.